Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things you must get right with real estate drone shoots. All right, so the first thing you must get right with real estate drone shoots is composition. Now, composition entails what is showing up in the frame. Is it easy to identify the property that's for sale? Are you showing too much sky or not enough sky or the horizon? Are you cutting off mountain views? Like, what does that look like? You got to think about why you were hired to do this drone shoot, right? What are the amenities that the agent would like to be highlighted in this video or photos? I think there's a lot of different angles and compositions that you can do, and it really will depend on the property that you're shooting and how many photos you plan on delivering. There are those standard shots, the front of the house, the back of the house, looking down, looking around the neighborhood, what are selling features and what are not, and just deliver those photos that highlight the selling features and why the agent would have ordered this particular product with this listing. All right, and the second thing is the aspect ratio. Now, this is one that I see drone photographers getting wrong all the time, because the standard aspect ratio for typical photography is 3:2. Now, drones, depending on the model that you have, a lot of them don't offer 3:2 aspect ratios in camera. So you're either having to shoot in 4:3 and crop the top and the bottom. If that's the case, yeah, that's the appropriate thing to do, to crop the top and the bottom so that the pictures look consistent with the other photos that you deliver. I think nothing screams more amateur than delivering some boxy looking drone photos that don't match the aspect ratio of your standard photography. And the third thing you must get right is the goal of the real estate agent. I mentioned this in the first one when it comes to composition, because you got to be thinking about what the goal of the real estate agent, why would they have ordered aerial photography? And if it's not clear, it's probably a good idea to give them a call and ask them, what specifically were you wanting to highlight if it's not clear? A lot of times it is pretty clear. It's on a golf course, it has great mountain views, it has a really large lot that's really just, you can't really see from the ground level all that the property entails. There could be a number of different reasons, some community amenities, but anyways, know the goal of your customer so that you can deliver and so that the customer is satisfied at the end of the day and helps to sell the property, which should be your ultimate goal, right? We just help real estate agents sell their listings. All right, so those are 3 things that you must get right with real estate drone shoots. If you guys have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. More than happy to answer those for you. If you got value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel as we consistently put out content just like this. And also, if you are new to real estate photography or even seasoned and are interested in learning more about the business, you can check out my free workshop. The link is in the description below. That's going to do it for this one. Reach out if you have any questions. We will see you guys on the next one.